In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer domain to Wix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to wix.com and go to your dashboard. So this should be the look of your dashboard. Now from here, what you want to do is simply click here on settings in the left hand side. Now from here in your settings, simply click on domains. Now to transfer your domain to Wix, what you want to do is simply add it right here. So let's say I want to add my Shopify domain right here. So simply paste it right here and click on let's go. Now it will say here that it's taken. So is it yours? Just click on yes, I own this domain. But to connect or transfer your domain on Wix, the problem is you need to upgrade to a premium plan. So just upgrade to a premium plan and you're ready to transfer your domain from another domain to your Wix website. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.